Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Kuno National Park, nestled in the heart of Madhya Pradesh, has embarked on a remarkable journey. This vast expanse of wilderness, with its rich biodiversity and varied landscapes, is now playing a pivotal role in wildlife conservation. It is now a sanctuary for reintroduced cheetahs, a species that once roamed these lands freely. This marks a historic moment for India's wildlife conservation efforts, symbolizing a significant step forward in preserving our natural heritage. Once extinct in the country, cheetahs are making a remarkable comeback, thanks to dedicated conservationists and supportive policies. Kuno, with its diverse landscape, offers a beacon of hope for these magnificent creatures. The park's varied terrain provides the perfect environment for cheetahs to adapt and thrive. The park's sprawling grasslands, interspersed with dense forests and riverine habitats, provide an ideal setting. These diverse ecosystems support a wide range of flora and fauna, creating a balanced environment. It's a second chance for cheetahs to thrive in their natural habitat, where they can hunt, roam, and live as they were meant to. The reintroduction project is not merely about bringing back a species. It is a comprehensive effort that involves meticulous planning and execution. It is about restoring a vital link in the ecosystem, ensuring that every species plays its part in maintaining ecological balance. This initiative is a testament to India's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. It reflects the nation's dedication to protecting its wildlife and natural resources. It is a project of immense significance, capturing the world's attention and inspiring other countries to undertake similar conservation efforts. The success of this endeavor relies on a multifaceted approach. This includes habitat management, community engagement, and scientific monitoring. Each aspect is crucial for the long-term sustainability of the project. The reintroduction of cheetahs in Kuno is not just about the animals themselves. It is about creating a harmonious environment where all species can coexist. It is about restoring balance to the ecosystem, ensuring that every creature has a role to play in the circle of life. It is about educating future generations about the importance of conservation, instilling in them a sense of responsibility towards nature. And it is about showcasing India's dedication to protecting its wildlife. This project stands as a beacon of hope and a model for conservation efforts worldwide. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Kuno National Park stands out for its unique ecosystem, perfectly suited to the needs of cheetahs. This protected area boasts a mosaic of habitats. Vast grasslands interspersed with woodlands and watered by rivers create an ideal environment. This diversity is crucial. It supports a wide array of prey species, essential for the cheetah's survival. The park's varied terrain also offers ample space for cheetahs to establish territories. The presence of water sources ensures their hydration, especially crucial in the Indian summer. This natural abundance makes Kuno a suitable habitat for the long-term survival of cheetahs. However, introducing a large predator like the cheetah requires careful planning. The existing predator-prey dynamics must be considered. The park's managers have been diligently working to ensure a smooth transition for the cheetahs. This includes monitoring prey populations and managing other predator species. The ultimate goal is to establish a self-sustaining cheetah population. This requires a delicate balance within the ecosystem. Kuno, with its inherent advantages, offers a promising setting for achieving this ambitious goal. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Transforming Kuno into a safe haven for cheetahs has required meticulous planning and dedicated efforts. Habitat management has been a key focus, ensuring the park can support a thriving cheetah population. One of the primary tasks involved augmenting the prey base. This included introducing and increasing the populations of species like Cheetah, sambar, and nilgai. These herbivores form the cornerstone of the cheetah's diet. Simultaneously, efforts were made to control the population of competing predators like leopards. This involved relocating some leopards to maintain a balance within the ecosystem. Another crucial aspect was restoring the grasslands. This involved removing invasive plant species and promoting the growth of native grasses. These grasslands are not just hunting grounds for cheetahs, but also serve as vital habitat for a variety of other species. The success of the cheetah reintroduction project hinges on the effectiveness of these habitat management practices. Creating a harmonious balance within the ecosystem is an ongoing process. It requires constant monitoring, adaptation, and a deep understanding of the intricate web of life that Kuno National Park represents. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 4. Challenges on the Path of Conservation. While Kuno National Park holds immense promise for cheetah conservation, the journey is not without its challenges. The park's vast landscapes and rich biodiversity make it an ideal habitat, but these same features also present unique obstacles. Poaching, a persistent threat to wildlife across India, casts a shadow over the park. Despite stringent laws, poachers often find ways to exploit the park's resources, putting the cheetahs at great risk. Stringent anti-poaching measures are crucial to ensure the safety of these vulnerable cheetahs. This includes not only patrolling, but also the use of advanced technology to monitor and prevent illegal activities. This involves deploying trained forest guards, using technology like camera traps, and engaging local communities in anti-poaching efforts. Community involvement is particularly important, as locals can act as the eyes and ears of the forest. Habitat loss, another pressing concern, arises from factors like encroachment and infrastructure development. As human populations grow, the pressure on natural habitats increases, leading to deforestation and fragmentation. Protecting the park's boundaries and creating buffer zones are essential to mitigate this challenge. Buffer zones act as a cushion, reducing the impact of human activities on the core areas of the park. Human-wildlife conflict, though not as pronounced as in other parts of India, requires proactive management. This includes measures to prevent livestock predation and crop damage, which can lead to retaliatory killings of wildlife. Educating communities living around the park about cheetah behavior and promoting coexistence is vital. Awareness programs help in building a harmonious relationship between humans and wildlife, fostering a sense of stewardship among locals. The presence of cheetahs, while beneficial for the ecosystem, can also lead to competition for resources with existing predators like leopards. This interspecies competition needs careful monitoring to ensure a balanced ecosystem. Managing these predator dynamics through continuous monitoring and intervention strategies is essential. This includes tracking predator movements and ensuring that there is enough prey to support all species. Overcoming these challenges demands a collaborative approach involving the forest department, conservationists, local communities, and researchers, all working in unison to safeguard Kuno's cheetahs. Only through such collective efforts can we hope to secure a future for these magnificent creatures. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 5. Community Engagement, the Key to Success. The success of cheetah conservation in Kuno National Park hinges on the active participation of local communities. Without their involvement, the project would face significant challenges. Recognizing this, the project has placed significant emphasis on community engagement. This means not only informing the villagers, but also involving them in every step of the process. Villages surrounding the park are home to people who have coexisted with wildlife for generations. Their traditional knowledge and understanding of the local ecosystem are invaluable assets. Their knowledge and support are invaluable. By tapping into this resource, the project can ensure more effective and sustainable conservation efforts. One of the key initiatives has been the formation of Cheetah Mitras, or Cheetah Friends. These individuals are selected from the local communities and given specialized training. These are local villagers, trained and empowered to become ambassadors for cheetah conservation. They serve as a bridge between the project and the community. They play a crucial role in educating their communities about cheetah behavior, dispelling myths, and promoting coexistence. Their efforts help to reduce human-wildlife conflict. These Cheetah Mitras also act as the eyes and ears on the ground, reporting any suspicious activity or potential threats to the cheetahs. Their vigilance is vital for the safety of the cheetahs. Their involvement fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility among the communities. This sense of ownership is crucial for the long-term success of the conservation efforts. By involving them in conservation efforts, the project ensures that local livelihoods are not adversely affected. In fact, it aims to enhance them. In fact, the presence of cheetahs has the potential to boost ecotourism, creating new income-generating opportunities for the communities. This can lead to improved living standards and economic growth. This approach, where conservation goes hand in hand with community development, is key to the long-term sustainability of the project. It ensures that both wildlife and people can thrive together. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia.